Click on the link below to get price. The GeRRiT Tufting Gun is a handheld embroidery machine that offers a versatile solution for both traditional and contemporary crafting. This dual-use weaving machine is designed with a focus on ease of use and functionality, making it an appealing option for both beginners and experienced crafters. At first glance, the GeRRiT Tufting Gun presents a modern design, with a sturdy build and ergonomic handle that provides comfort during extended crafting sessions. Its compact size contributes to its portability, allowing users to easily transport the machine between different crafting locations. This feature may be particularly useful for those who participate in workshops or prefer to work on projects in various environments. One of the standout features of this tufting gun is its dual functionality. It can operate in two modes, a cut pile mode and a loop pile mode. This allows users to create a range of textures and designs, making it suitable for various projects, from rugs and wall hangings to intricate embroidery. The adjustable speed settings are another notable aspect, enabling users to tailor the machine's operation to their specific crafting needs and preferences. Using the GeRRiT Tufting Gun is generally straightforward. It comes with a user manual that outlines the setup process, including threading the machine and selecting different tufting techniques. For beginners, this guidance can prove beneficial in overcoming the initial learning curve, while seasoned crafters may appreciate the quick setup for their ongoing projects. The machine accepts a variety of yarn types, allowing for creative expression through different colors and textures. Many users have remarked on the machine's efficiency, noting that the tufting process can be completed more quickly than traditional hand embroidery methods. This may appeal particularly to those looking to produce larger pieces or to complete projects within a tighter time frame. In conclusion, the GeRRiT Tufting Gun presents a practical option for those interested in tufting and embroidery. Its dual-use capabilities, user-friendly design, and variety of settings make it a versatile tool in the crafting toolkit. Whether one is a hobbyist or looking to explore tufting as a new craft, this machine could serve as a valuable addition to the creative process.